Want to speak real Arabic from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ArabicPod101.com.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. So this is the most basic greeting we have in Arabic. So if you enter anywhere, please say Assalamu alaikum. Sabah al khair. Good morning. Sabah al khair. Good morning. And this is so easy. When you see someone in the morning, just tell them Sabah al khair. It sounds cool. يعمل. To do. يعمل. To do. For example, you can say أنا على طول بعمل الواجب في ميعاده. I always do my homework on time. That's a lie. يقول. To say. يقول. To say. For example, you can say أحمد دايما بيقول الحق. Ahmed always says the truth. يشرح. To explain. يشرح. To explain. For example, you can say اديني فرصة أشرح موقفي. اديني فرصة أشرح موقفي. Give me a chance to explain my situation. سلحفة. Turtle. سلحفة. Turtle. And sometimes people mix it with سحلفة. أنا زمان كنت بربي سلحفة. Did I say it right? Yeah. I used to take care of a turtle. امتحان. Exam. امتحان. An exam. عندي امتحان بكرة. Tomorrow I have an exam. احتلال. Occupation. احتلال. Occupation. نهاية الاحتلال البريطاني في مصر كان سنة 1956. Termination of the British occupation in Egypt was 1956. ربيع. Spring. ربيع. Spring. بيتميز الربيع في مصر بأنه مليان عواصف رملية. Spring in Egypt is known to have lots of sandstorms. Maybe ربيع is difficult because of the so say ربيع. فاشل. A failure. فاشل. A failure. هو طالب فاشل. He's a failure. He failed as a student. He failed as a son. And he's failing as a husband as well. شكراً. Thank you. شكراً, which means thank you. شكراً على الهدية. Thank you for the present. عفواً. You're welcome. عفواً. You're welcome. So from the beginning, شكراً على الهدية. Thank you for the present. And you reply, عفواً. You're welcome. نعم. Yes. نعم, which means yes. So for example, you can say, هل تريد قهوة? Do you want coffee? And you reply with نعم. Yes. And you can also add من فضلك. من فضلك, please. لا. No. The opposite of it, لا. لا, which means no. So one more. هل تريد قهوة? Do you want coffee? No. لا. And you can say شكراً. Thank you. الغطس. Diving. الغطس. Diving. يلا نروح نغطس في شرم الشيخ. Let's go diving in Sharm. عذراً. Excuse me. عذراً, which means excuse me. So for example, you can say عذراً علي الذهاب. عذراً علي الذهاب, which means excuse me, I have to go. أنا آسف. I am sorry. أنا آسف, which means I'm sorry. For example, you can say أنا آسف على التأخير. I'm sorry I am late. يخرج. To go out. يخرج. To go out. بحب أخرج أتمشى في الجنينة, which means I like to go out for a walk in the park.
Calendar.
تقويم. تقويم.
car سيارة سيارة
banana,
موز موز
Bandage.
ضماد ضماد
barley,
شعير شعير
basement,
سرداب سرداب
bathe,
استحمم استحمم
bathroom,
حمام حمام
Be late.
تأخر تأخر
beard,
لحية لحية
beautiful,
جميل جميل
bed, سرير سرير
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.